Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. We're back.
We're back with another very delicious and yummy recipe. One that we know this week will work. Last week, you may have saw our little flop.
Yeah.
But that's okay because we're just trying new things. That's what we're here to do.
What are we making? New things. And you're still wearing black.
I am.
Oh.
I am.
Anyway.
It's my brand. It's my brand. As a food photographer, you sometimes have to be your own shadow to create shadows. Or if you get food all over you, no one will ever know.
True.
So that's okay. But we're back with another recipe, something that we saw online from one of my favorite creators. Her name is Whole Hannah, and she created this recipe, like a little peanut cucumber salad situation.
Spicy peanut sauce kooky salad. Kooky salad.
Yeah, so I'm gonna chop up the cucumbers. They're mini cucumbers. I'm just gonna do it in slices, and Christina's going to mix up.
I'm gonna make the sauce.
The sauce. So what's in your sauce?
Okay. Let me roll my seeds up. Okay. Toasted sesame oil, a teaspoon.
Okay.
Right in the bowl.
You know sesame oil?
Right in the bowl.
Is my favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, Julie's obsessed. With sesame seeds, sesame oils.
How thin do you want these cucumbers? Thinner?
Whatever you think.
I think a thinner cucumber salad kind of works better.
Go based on your vibes.
Okay.
Rice vinegar, one tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of tamari. Okay.
Move these out the way. 1
garlic clove, minced. Ooh, right in there. 1 tablespoon of chili crisp. You could use red chili flake, crushed red pepper, but we figured we made a homemade one. Let's put it in there. More flavor, right?
Yeah. Lots of very yummy ingredients in our homemade chili crisp.
Yeah.
That recipe, I think, is out now on our YouTube channel, so you can go check it out.
It'll be up on the blog sometime this month. I don't know exactly what day.
Yeah. But the recipe is in the caption of the YouTube video.
Yeah. 2 tablespoons peanut butter. I dropped a cucumber. We used the creamy one. I don't know how crunchy would fare with this, but you can try it.
Ooh, that could actually be very yummy.
I don't know.
I feel like I'm cutting these horribly. We're just gonna ignore that.
That's okay.
We're working with limited space here.
I was about to lick this with the chili crisp on it, imagine. Anyway.
That would be super spicy.
Should I put these on after or in the sauce? I think they go
Those are for garnish.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Green onion and sesame seeds for garnish. Put those aside.
Oh.
Now I'm getting a little whisk. Our little sauce. This is what it's looking like for reference. I'm gonna whisk it together.
Our last cucumber salad that we made on our Gluten-Free Friday.
Oh yeah.
It did really well. You guys loved it.
Yeah.
So we're here to bring another one.
Yeah. Cucumber salad is back.
Cucumber salad has been that girl.
Yeah.
Recently.
I love cucumber. Oh wow.
That looks good. Honestly, the crunchy peanut butter. Now that you say that.
Yeah, because I guess we could put peanuts in it.
We could. Should we?
It's looking thick.
Should we add some chopped peanut? Okay. Christina vetoed it. Guys, this is really good. Cute. Very fresh. Sometimes you just need a fresh snack.
Yeah.
But you don't want it to be too much work. This is very nice for like after the gym or something.
Right.
You just need something, but you don't want to be too heavy. Or even before the gym.
Yeah.
Shoot.
I was gonna say, most of these ingredients you probably have at home.
They're definitely pantry ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna keep
pantry rest.
Should I mix these? Mix. See how we're doing, and I have still 2 more cucumbers to do after this. Wow. So some green onions.
Green onion.
Some sesame seeds.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
Sorry.
It's okay.
All of them.
You know me. I love a green onion. I think this might be one of our best ones yet. Okay. So I have my super sesamed cucumber.
I want this one.
Okay.
Cheers. I want all your sesame seeds.
Thumbnail. Okay.
Wait, I didn't do a cute one.
Oh.
I went Okay. Thumbnail. For me.
Ooh, the spice gets you. Our chili crisp is very spicy, by the way. We're gonna share. We already have the same germs. We work together. I'm gonna get 2 in there.
Yeah, 2. I do think the chili crisp is very good in here.
Was there any sweetener at all? I think there's like a touch of maple syrup would kind of make this next level.
Really?
I think a little bounce of sweet and spicy. That's just my personal preference, but this is really delicious. Oh, I have 3 on
Was
there.
it? No. I'm thinking. No.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
wow.
dipping.
Making a mess. You don't make a mess or you're not. Are you having fun even?
Right?
Oh, good.
This is insane. I could eat this whole thing myself. It's so good.
Refreshing.
And like you
Fresh.
said, you probably have all the ingredients, or most of them, already at home. The only things
Yeah.
that you need fresh are the cucumbers and the green onions. Everything else is like a pantry item. Or
Yeah. I mean, you don't even need to put the green onions. I like green
I'm gonna
onions,
do
but
one more. They're so good.
I don't know. I'm gonna eat this after we're done.
Well, I know what we're having for some of our lunch.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat this off camera.
Yeah, we are.
But that was great. That was simple.
Yeah.
It was easy. You can make it all spring and summer long now that we're in
Oh, yeah.
our warm weather seasons.
Yeah. Cucumbers. It's cucumber salad and pasta salad season.
Yeah, we're ready.
Love.
We're ready.
Love.
All right, everybody. Well, we will be back next Friday with another gluten-free recipe.
Gluten.
Gluten-free recipe.
I think next week is Live on Labs.
Ooh, so we'll be health and wellness focused.
We'll be living it on the lab. Ooh.
I don't know if we'll be in the lab, but we will be living on the lab.
Or live on lab.
All right, everybody. We'll see you next week.
Oh,
Bye.
bye.